Using legacy catalogs with commercial interiors library products requires a download from Notify, then activating the legacy catalog in the Catalog Manager in either the CIL extension or in Spec. To download legacy catalogs from Notify, open Notify. Click on the Legacy Catalogs tab in the middle of the dialog window. Scroll to the manufacturer the legacy catalog is needed for. Open the collection of legacy catalogs available by clicking the plus sign next to the manufacturer's name. To select a single catalog, go to the desired catalog date. Click the plus sign to expand the catalog list. Click the checkbox in front of the desired catalog. If you want all catalogs for a specific date, click the checkbox next to the date. Click Update now to download the legacy catalogs. To activate the catalog in CIL or Spec, open the respective program. In the CET/CIL extension, navigate to the Main Component tab. Click on the Manager button in the menu area. In Spec, navigate to the Catalog Manager button on the Home tab, the View tab, or the Price tab. Click on the Catalog Manager button in the ribbon. Go to the Advanced mode by clicking the toggle switch in the top right corner of the dialog window. Select the manufacturer by clicking the tile on the left. This displays the catalog list on the right of the dialog window. At the bottom of the catalog list, click the Legacy tab to view the downloaded legacy catalogs. Click the checkbox in front of the desired legacy catalog. Click on the Current tab at the bottom of the dialog window. Then click the corresponding current catalog to avoid pricing errors. Click Save to save the changes and use the legacy catalog pricing.